Hi everyone! So I've just gotten out of the shower and I'm going to do my hair for you in a simple waterfall braid. So first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to use the Yoje Don't Despair Repair Leave-In treatment. So I'm just going to kind of spray this in my ends. So you only need a couple of sprays and really try and avoid your roots if you have oily hair. So I'm going to brush through my hair and you'll see how knotted it is. Oh, not too bad. So I find this leave-in treatment, or leave-in treatment really helps. So I prefer to do a leave-in treatment instead of a conditioner with my hair, and it just helps me not have to wash it every day. So just kind of towel dry it. You can do this with dry hair as well. I just find it always easier to work with my hair wet because my hair is difficult. So I do want it not a center part, so I'm just going to pull back my hair and part it, and then I'm going to brush through. Make sure it's all going down. So I'm going to take a section of hair, right? I'm just going to take a section of hair and I'm just going to twist it right about 3 or 4 times. Grab the next section back. So you can do this without twisting. Just with the front ones, I twist because my hair is a little shorter. So I'm going to grab the next section back. So you can either twist or not. So I'm going to grab over, grab this bottom section, grab my original one, and pull back. So then grab the next section, go over with your original, and pull back. So grab a next section, go over your original, pull back. Grab your next section, go over, pull back. Next section, over, pull back. So we can see, I think it gives like a nice kind of easy braid that you can go to, and you just want to kind of run your guidelines. So if you don't want it to go that far back, right? So if you don't want it so close to the top of your head, you can switch it up. So go here, grab a little lower, so just with the front, try and grab a little closer if you have shorter hair. So you can determine where your track is. So it's a little lower, instead of going straight back, I can go around. And just when I go to the back, I can either bobby pin it or just clip it if I want it to join together. But I'm just putting that bobby pin straight up, and then I'm going to do my other side. So I'm going to twist, turn, and grab sections. So how thick you want it to be will depend how much hair you grab. So the more hair you grab, the thicker it will be. And then I'm at my original bobby pin, so I can take that one out and join the two together. So one will go this way, the other one's going to go that way. And I'm going to put my bobby pins in a cross. So I do have bobby pins that are kind of decorated on the wrong side, right? Because you do want kind of the ridge side down and the smooth side to show, but the ridge side is what's all pretty and sparkly, so it is okay to use it the opposite way. If you find your hair is falling out, the easiest thing to do grab a little bit of a hairspray and spray it. And then put it in and cross. So that's my hair. It takes about 3 minutes to do, and you look all really talented, and you can even add a second layer, right? If you want to be extra. First layer was too thick. Right, so I'm going to take it and go. Right, so you can add a second layer, you can have space between, or they can be right up on top of each other, and then you look even fancier than before. So I'm just grabbing that one section, going over, grab that other section, go over, so I like 2 on this side because there's more hair on this side, 1 on that. So you just have to look, what do you like? But overall, it's a quick way of doing your hair, and you can even change up how you want to do that. So I hope you like this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you're like, I don't want to leave my hair wet, then you can easily blow dry it with a diffuser. Try and make it a little bit curly, always looks nice, or blow dry and just blow dry from the down from the top. Be careful with up there, and it does dry rather fast, and then it's kind of set in place, which is the great thing. So again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Bye now.